Moussaka is a traditional Greek dish that is enjoyed by people all over the world. It is a rich, hearty dish that is typically made with eggplant, ground meat, and a creamy bechamel sauce. While there are many variations of moussaka, the basic recipe remains the same. Layers of eggplant and meat are topped with a thick, creamy bechamel sauce and baked until golden brown. The history of moussaka. Moussaka is a dish that has been around for centuries, with its roots in the Ottoman Empire. However, it was the Greeks who truly made it their own. The dish has evolved over time, with different regions in Greece adding their own unique twist to the recipe. While the basic ingredients remain the same, some versions have moussaka include potatoes, zucchini, or even cheese. Regardless of the variations, moussaka remains a beloved dish that is enjoyed by people all over the world. The ingredients. To make moussaka, you will need the following ingredients: eggplant, ground beef or lamb, onion, garlic, tomatoes, tomato paste, red wine, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt and pepper, olive oil, flour, milk, butter, egg yolks, Parmesan cheese. Preparing the ingredients. The first step in making moussaka is to prepare the ingredients. Start by slicing the eggplant into thin rounds and salting them to remove any bitterness. While the eggplant is resting, prepare the meat sauce by browning the ground beef or lamb in a large skillet. Add in finely chopped onion and garlic, along with diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and a splash of red wine. Season the sauce with cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and pepper to taste. Next, prepare the bechamel sauce by whisking together flour and butter in a separate saucepan. Gradually whisk in warm milk until the sauce thickens. Remove the saucepan from the heat and whisk in egg yolks and grated Parmesan cheese. Assembling the dish. Once all the ingredients are prepared, it's time to assemble the moussaka. Start by brushing a baking dish with olive oil and layering the bottom with the sliced eggplant. Spoon the meat sauce over the eggplant, and then top with another layer of eggplant. Pour the bechamel sauce over the top of the eggplant, making sure to spread it evenly. Finally, sprinkle with more grated Parmesan cheese. Baking the dish. Bake the moussaka in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about an hour, or until the top is golden brown and the eggplant is tender. Allow the moussaka to cool for a few minutes before serving. Serving the dish. Moussaka is typically served as a main course, with a side of Greek salad and some crusty bread. It is a hearty, filling dish that is perfect for a family dinner or a special occasion. The dish is also great as leftovers, as the flavors tend to develop even more after a day or two in the refrigerator. Conclusion. In conclusion, moussaka is a delicious and hearty dish that is loved by people all over the world. While the basic recipe remains the same, there are many variations of moussaka that you can try. Whether you prefer the classic version with eggplant and meat, or a variation with potatoes or zucchini, moussaka is sure to satisfy your cravings for rich, flavorful food.